Welcome back. So today I'm going to go over the best deals that I've been able to find at Lowe's, Home Depot, some tools on Amazon, and at the very back end, some non-tool items. But with that, we'll go ahead and jump right in. Links will all be in the description if you're interested in getting any of these deals. Here we have at Lowe's, Kobalt XTR 24 volt 3 tool brushless power tool combo kit, hard case, 2 batteries included, charger included. That already seems like a pretty excellent deal for $249, even $50 off, ends December 4th. It does say buy one get two free gifts with purchase. So there's a couple. You can get a jigsaw, cordless jigsaw, or trim cordless router. That even adding to the deal there. Yeah, that's at Lowe's. Next, we have this Flex Stack Pack IMPACKS 1/4 inch by 1 inch square Robertson impact driver bit, 20 pieces, $3.17, about 50% off, more than 50% off. You save $4.81. Excellent deal. Next, we have this Flex Compact 24 volt 2 tool brushless power tool combo kit with soft case, 2 batteries included and charger included. I feel like the price of these batteries is enough. It would be a deal for 2 batteries for $99, but this is $99 for the combo kit with the soft case. So that seems like a really good deal. $99, you save $100, so it's essentially 50% off. So really good deal on this Flex Compact 24 volt 2 tool brushless power tool combo kit at Lowe's. Move over to some deals at Home Depot. Here we have this Milwaukee, get this page right, 600 lumen LED red lithium USB low profile hard hat headlamp 2-pack, $99 even, and you get 2, something to consider. Then we have the RYOBI 1+ 18 volt lithium-ion kit with 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour batteries, charger, and free 1 18 volt cordless reciprocating saw for $79. So it's saying 72% off. You're saving $203.94. So another, what seems like an excellent deal. You get that seems like a price for just the tool, but you're getting the reciprocating saw, 2 batteries plus the charger. So excellent deal on this RYOBI reciprocating saw. Some more RYOBI. This is 1+ 18 volt lithium-ion starter kit with 2 amp hour battery and 4, same thing. And it looks like it might just be an extension of that deal. Oh, well, it seems similar. So this one you get buy one get one free. You're paying $99, although they're including the reciprocating saw. So in this case, don't get the reciprocating saw, I guess, because they have a better deal on the reciprocating saw on its own. I mean, with this pack. Are the batteries the same? Yeah, the batteries do look the same. So in this case, $99, still a really good deal because you're getting 2 batteries plus a charger, and then your choice of tool. Yeah, which seems like a excellent deal. That's at Home Depot, RYOBI, and then we have the Milwaukee M18 lithium-ion brushless cordless 1 inch SDS-Plus D-handle rotary hammer with 2 5 amp hour batteries. That already, again, I feel like those batteries would cost $200 or close to on their own. Here we have the rotary hammer included, of course, all for $199, saving almost $400 on this Milwaukee tool. So excellent deal, especially if you're getting batteries plus a charger. Again, that seems like it's $200 on its own. Plus, this is a pretty hefty tool. So $199 at Home Depot, save $400. And then we'll go to our Amazon deals, and this is already 65% claimed. This is the Champion Power Equipment 5,000 watt electric start tri-fuel RV ready portable generator with CO shield. This is a Black Friday deal. It's $559. Go ahead and check the price history on this. So this is at its best price. Average price is about $760. So it is down about $200 off of its regular price. So the Champion Power Equipment 5,000 watt electric start tri-fuel RV ready portable generator with CO shield. Next we have the KNIPEX tools pneumatic hose cutter. Red, lowest price in 30 days, of course, 11% off, $55. KNIPEX, of course. Anytime I see KNIPEX deal, I will put it on here, as long as it is an actual deal. They don't tend to get discounted too deeply, though. 11% is probably close to what I've seen it. But anyways, this KNIPEX is at its best price. It shows average about $62 and is on sale for $55.42. It is its best price. Lowest price in 30 days. Of course, still a little bit pricey, but it is KNIPEX. Continuing on, here we have the Trend 60-piece quick release Craft Pro tool set, magnetic quick chuck, retractable bit, holder, deburr, countersink. This is $19.60, and showing best price on the tracker, averaged about, it says $57. Looks like that was the case over the last 4 to 5 months, but it is back down to 20 bucks. One thing to note, the first 5 months that it was out, it was just below $30. So definitely raised the price on it, but even from what it first came out to, it's still about 33% off, which is a pretty good deal on these quick release Pro tool sets. Keep going because there's plenty to go through. Here we have the SATA 13-piece 1/4-inch drive 6-point SAE socket set with 60-tooth round head ratchet. $19.24, 29% off. According to the price history, has about 2-3 years of history, averaged about $27, went up in price, of course, as they usually do, but it is now at its best price at $19.24, so something to consider for a simple SATA, good brand, ratchet for just probably regular work around the house. Next, we have the Bosch 18-volt brushless cordless connected ready 1/2-inch mid-torque impact wrench with friction ring and through hole. This is just the tool, showing $149.94, and according to the price history, that is that is the best price, showing about 2 years of history, averaging about 175 bucks, which is pretty pricey, but it is down to 150. It has been there close to a couple times before in the last couple months, but at least it is back down to that price. So $149.94, best price on Amazon for this Bosch 1/2-inch mid-torque impact wrench. And we continue here. We have the VEVOR Torpedo level 48-inch mechanical bubble vials ruler for 45, 90, 180 degree aluminum alloy leveler with viewing window, shock resistant for measuring plumbing and wood. And I'll be honest, this is interesting. I haven't seen, is this a 2-piece set? This picture's throwing me off, but it comes with a carrying case. I don't think I've seen any of these come with a carrying case. Maybe just the ones that I've gotten don't have carrying cases. But that has, it means, to me, shows it must be nice enough to want to put it in a case. So this is the VEVOR leveler, Black Friday deal, 26% off, $17.04. Showing about 1.5 years of price history, averaged about $30, and it is down to $17.04. So best price on Amazon. Next, we have the Lion Steel. So we had a Lion Steel in one of our a couple of videos ago. I hadn't heard of it before, but there was, I looked into it, and some of the comments mentioned that this is super high quality Italian knife brand, and I learned something new. So here we have another one, Lion Steel Knives, TREGOR Tray G10 Framelock. This is in orange. I think it's different than the one that I saw before. $180. So understand the price. And according to the price history, actually came out about 5 years ago around this price, but then of course it ballooned up, averaged about $225, but it is down from that to $180. So a little pricey, but it is quality. And then here we have the Performance Tool red and black high torque mini ratchet. I don't think I've seen one of these. I've seen mini ratchets before, but I haven't seen a mini ratchet quite like this. It's Torque Mini Ratchet Driver, 1-pack by Performance Tool. I'm a fan of Performance Tool. $7.89, best price on Amazon history. And this has averaged about $11. I mean, so for the price, it's roughly about 25% off, maybe a little bit more. So it is best price Amazon history. $7.89. So pretty nifty little deal for a Performance Tool high torque mini ratchet. More ratchets. Here we have the Titan 1/2-inch drive, 16-inch 90-tooth flathead ratchet. This is 24% off, $31.80. This is 0% claimed, showing best price and its tracker. History of about 4 years, averaged about $41, so about 25% off from what this tool has been averaging. This Titan half-inch driver with a 90-tooth flathead ratchet. And we keep going. Here we have the Ivy Classic magnetic screw guide driver. This is a 10-pack. Not sure if you need that many, but if you're going through these like hotcakes, $26.85 for 10 comes out to about $2.60 per, which is a pretty decent deal, especially if you use these often again, or you're losing them often enough. Lowest price in 30 days, showing best price on Amazon Tracker, but it is only about 2-3 months of history. They did come out at about $50, so they've cut that price in half. So definitely a drastic price cut, but only about 2-3 months of price history. And now we're getting into some of the regular Black Friday deals, more on tech. Here we have the Samsung soundbar with wireless Dolby Atmos, ultra slim design, Q Symphony, Alexa built-in game pro mode. This is the 2022 version. This is $487, 46% off. It looks like it comes with the subwoofer and the soundbar. Price history showing it at its best price. It does have over 2 years of history. We're at average $714, and it is down to $487. So over $200 in savings, close to 46% off, especially since they increased the price here recently to say it was a sale. Well, actually, it's been at that price for the last 6 months, but it was lower before that. But overall, it is a deep discount from what it was averaging. And here we have another Samsung soundbar with wireless Dolby Atmos. Same thing, 2022 model, but this does come with rear speaker kit. So it comes with the soundbar, and it comes with the subwoofer, and it comes with 2 speakers. So this is $685.98, and according to the price history, it's at its best price, average $995, which seems pretty crazy, but the eye test kind of says the same thing, somewhere about $900 average. So it's roughly about $250, almost $300 off of what it has been on average. So for a little bit higher end sound system, you get the soundbar plus the rear speakers, something to consider, and some more soundbars. These are a little bit more affordable. Polk Audio, of course, really reputable brand in audio. This is the React soundbar, Polk SR2 surround speakers, and subwoofer. So this one comes with the subwoofer and a couple of speakers and the subwoofer. And this is for $353. So this is more in my realm of a good deal, showing 47% off here. But let's look at the price history, showing best price, about 2-3 years of history. And this has averaged about $634. So $600 average, and it's down to $353 best price. So from that end, it's close to 50% off. Not quite there, but I would say for this one, excellent deal for a set of soundbar, subwoofer, and a couple of speakers. And then another Polk soundbar, and this is without the speakers. This is just the subwoofer plus the soundbar for a little bit less, showing $234, 50% off. And according to the price history, also its best price averaged around $437. So this is, I would say, basically 50% off for this soundbar, Polk soundbar, and subwoofer. And then this is just kind of a curveball. This is a life hack for anybody with pets. This is the Amazon Basics Pet Waste Removal Set with swivel bin, stainless steel, 34% off. This is basically a pooper scooper, but beats bending over, breaking your back. So something like this is life improvement. Anyways, that's why I put it on here. It's a great deal, showing 34% off. According to price history, best price has about 3 to 4 years of history, where it's average $15. So it's essentially 66% off from what it's averaged in its history. So not only an invaluable tool, but also an excellent deal to pick up something like this where you normally don't think about it. Another similar type item, just a good deal. Curveball. This is a ergonomic office chair. Of course, this is in pink, so take that for what it's worth. Home mesh design executive computer chair, but it's $30.67. So it seemed like an excellent deal, especially for an office chair. According to price history, best price. And this chair over the last 2 years has averaged $76. So over 50% off on this chair. So I figured it was a good enough deal to include in my Amazon products. Again, something similar and nothing fancy. A side table, gunmetal, $29.32. But for a side table, that seems great. You don't get side tables for $30. Yeah, I feel like that just doesn't happen. And according to the price history, $29.32 is its best price. This side table is averaged $58. $50. Yeah, this is like 3-4 years of history. $58 average, and it's down to $29.32. So if you're in need of a side table, you don't care too much about it. This one seems like I want to say quality one, but definitely a great deal. And worth probably $30 to take a flyer on it. Next, we have the Tapo TP-Link smart light bulbs, 16 amp colors, RGBW, dimmable, Alexa frustration-free setup, A19 60 watt equivalent, is that 800 lumens, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only. So this is a Black Friday deal, 64% off, $8.95. These are just pretty cool to have. Literally change it, control it on your phone, change it to any color you'd like. And it's just showing best price in its history of about 6-7 months. Averages at its lowest was at $15. So even at its lowest, it's 50% off, but it averages $24. So it's like 70% off for these light bulbs. Pretty decent deal. Some more furniture. We're getting random here. This is the Eva Joy Lift top coffee table, ergonomic rising table, hidden compartment. Again, just included this because 40% off for a coffee table, such an intricate coffee table for $113. I guess, I don't know, it seems like a pretty good deal. 40% off. Yeah, let's look at the price history. So this has about a year and a half of history and averages $212. And it's down to $113. So this is more or less just because it's a 50% off deal. And there might be a few of you who need a coffee table at a discount. And then last but not least, we have this Valterra tote tank fill hose. It's 1/2 inch by 4 feet. So not a long hose, but it's 30% off, $7. And $7 for a hose seemed like an excellent deal. And according to the price history, it is at its best price. It averaged $12 over the last 10 years, essentially. So close to, I would say 40% off, 30% off is probably closer to 40% off. And seemed like a good deal. So with that, I hope you found some of these deals helpful. And if you did, please consider liking or subscribing. Appreciate everybody watching. As soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.